Hello friends, I welcome you to our channel Affairs 247X. So today we'll be discussing current affairs of 25 and 26 June 2021. Okay, so let's start with the first question without wasting any time. So your first question is, who has been named as a captain of Indians men hockey team recently? Right? So options are Manpreet Singh, then Sardara Singh, Ajit Pal Singh, and Shankar Lakshman. The correct option is option number A, that is Manpreet Singh. Question number two, who has become the first translate weightlifter to participate in the Olympics? Your options are Mark Henry, Dot Jones, Laurel Hubbard, Tony Atlas. So your answer is option number C, and that is Laurel Hubbard. Question number third, who has been the first woman fighter pilot of Jammu and Kashmir in the Air Force, Indian Air Force? Your options are Arun Asaf Ali, then Kamla Devi Chattopadhyay, then Rani Srivastava, then Mavia Sudan. Your correct answer is Mavia Sudan, that is option number D. And if we look at some static fact of Jammu and Kashmir, so governor of Jammu and Kashmir, there is no chief minister. That seat is itself vacant right now. So there is only governor, and its name is Lieutenant Governor Manoj Singh. Okay. Now next question, question number four. Which is the largest recipient country in the FDI inflows as per the recent World Investment Report 2021? Your options are USA, Australia, India, and Germany. So your correct option is option number A, that is USA. Now, who is president of USA? Joe Biden. And who is vice president of USA? Kamala Harris. Okay. Now, question number fifth. Which brand has topped in recently released ranking of the world most valuable brand? So your options are Amazon, then Flipkart, then Paytm, then PhonePe. So your correct answer is Amazon, or that is option number A. Now, who is CEO of Amazon? Jeff Bezos. And who is the founder of Flipkart? Sachin and Binny Bansal. So these are few static facts which you have to remember, because this sometimes what examiner does is he used to ask some static facts which are in current news right now. If like in this particular question, if they are asking something about ranking of the world most valuable brand, and if there is a news regarding the brand, so they will ask you simply the CEO or founder of the particular brand. So you have to remember anyhow this few steps in your examinations. Okay, so just note it down. And now moving towards next question, that question number six. Recently, who has written the book titled The Sins of Being a Mother? So books and author, this question is totally depends on. So your options are Mark Henry, Dot Jones, then Tahira Kashyap Khurana, then Tony Atlas. Your correct answer is option number C. Tahira Kashyap Khurana has written a book whose title is The Sins of Being a Mother. Now question number seven. When World Humanitarian Day is observed? Your options are 19th June, 21st June, 22nd June, and 23rd June. Your correct answer is 23rd June. 21st June, sorry. Now, question number 8. Who has been selected as the Forest Frontline Heroes Ambassador of WWF India? Options are Upasana Kamyani, then Sardara Singh, Ajit Pal Singh, then Shankar Lakshman. Correct answer is Upasana Kamyani. Recently, who has become the first Arab woman to win WTA title? Options are Ons Jabbar, Arun Asaf Ali, Kamla Dev Chattopadhyay, Rani Srivastava. So, correct answer is ONS Jabbar. Question number 10. Raghuram Rajan has elected as a member of the Economic Advisory Council of which state? Options are Meghalaya, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. Your correct option is option number C, Tamil Nadu. State is Tamil Nadu, capital state being Tamil Nadu is capital, and largest city is same, that is Chennai, and CM Chief Minister is MK Stalin, and Governor of Tamil Nadu is Banwarilal Purohit. Now moving towards next question, question number 11th. Yunus Khan has resigned as the batting coach of which cricket team? Pakistan cricket team, Australian cricket team, New Zealand cricket team, and West Indies cricket team. The correct option is Pakistan cricket team. Now moving to our next question, question number 12. Which country's army has successfully test fired an aerial high power laser? The options are America, Iraq, South Korea, Israel. Correct option is option number D, that is Israel. Capital of Israel is Jerusalem and its currency is shekel. Now moving towards next question, that is question number 13. From which year has the BCCI decided to bid for hosting the Champions Trophy? Option number A 2025, 2022, 2023 and 2021. Your option, your correct answer is 2025. So BCCI decided to bid for hosting the Champions Trophy from 2025. Now question number 14. When International Widow Day is observed? Your options are 22nd June, 21st June, 23rd June, 20 June. Your correct answer is option number C, that is 23rd June. Now we are heading towards your next question, and that's the last question of the session. Who has approved the assessment scheme of CBSE and ICSE board? Your options are Supreme Court, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, High Court of Uttar Pradesh, High Court of Maharashtra. Your correct answer is option number A, that is Supreme Court has approved the assessment scheme of CBSE and ICSE board. Who is the current chairman of CBSE? Answer is Manoj Ahuja. Manoj Ahuja is the current chairman of CBSE. So these are your 15 questions. We'll again revise it once again as soon as possible. Okay. So your first question is, who has been named as the captain of the India's main hockey team recently? Manpreet Singh. Who has been become the first translate weightlifter to participate in the Olympics? Laurel Hubbard. Who has been the first woman fighter pilot of Jammu and Kashmir in the Indian Air Force? Answer is Mavya Sudan. Question number 4. Which is the largest recipient country in the FDI inflows as per the recent World Investment Report 2021? Answer is USA. Question number 5. Which brand has topped in the recently released ranking of the world most valuable brand? Answer is Amazon. Then recently, who has been written as the book title The Sense of Being a Mother? Answer is Taira Kashyap Rana. Question number 7. When World Humanitarian Day is observed? Answer is 21st June. Who has been selected as the Forest Frontline Heroes Ambassador of WWF India? Your answer is Upasana Kamyani. Question number 9. Recently, who has become the first Arab woman to win WTA title? Answer is ONS Jabir. Question number 10. Raghuram Rajan has elected as a member of the Economic Advisory Council of which state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Question number 11. Yunis Khan has resigned as the batting coach of which cricket team? Answer is Pakistan cricket team. Question number 12. Which country's army has successfully tested fire and aerial high power laser? Answer is Israel. Question number 13. From which year has the BCCI decided to bid for hosting the championship trophy? Answer is 2025. Question number 14. When International Widow Day is observed? 23rd June. Question number 15. Who has approved the assessment scheme of CBSE and ICSE board? Answer Supreme Court. These are your 15 questions of past 2 days, all the important questions, okay, which has chances of coming in your examination. And now we'll be heading towards, I have a question for you homework, and just write the answer in the comment box. Let me know what the actual answer. Your question is, how many crore rupees has been announced by the BCCI for the preparation of the players in the Olympics? Options are 10 crore rupees, 20 crore rupees, 22 crore rupees, 9 crore rupees. So put your answer in the comment box. So these are your few current affairs, and please subscribe to our channel to have such a content on a daily basis. You'll be getting the current affairs on a daily basis, and yes, all the static facts which is included in along with the current affairs, and you will be getting more and more such sessions on upcoming sessions. So to have a do not skip or do not miss any session. Just press the bell icon and push the subscribe button. Also follow our Instagram channel where we are putting also daily content and maths and reasoning sessions also. So stay connected, stay healthy. Till that, goodbye. Thank you.